In one of the most sensational anti-corruption operations in recent times, the Odisha Vigilance Department has unearthed an astronomical hidden empire belonging to a government engineer, Baikuntha Nath Behera, an assistant executive engineer with the Integrated Tribal Development Agency in Baliguda, Kandhamal, is now the central figure of a massive disproportionate asset investigation.
Acting on precise intelligence regarding amassed illegal wealth, the Odisha Anti-Corruption Wing obtained simultaneous search warrants from the Special Judge Vigilance Bhubaneswar. A massive elite task force comprising additionally superintendents of police, deputy superintendent of police, and multiple inspectors was assembled to execute the operation. The team launched synchronized raids across 9 strategic locations spanning 4 major cities: Bhubaneswar, Balsor, Jajpur, and Baliguda. While search teams recovered over 2.60 lakh in loose cash directly from the residential premises, the core of the black money was found safely stashed inside financial institutions. Investigators located 4 bank lockers registered under the names of Behera and his wife and major banks in Bhubaneswar's Chandrasekharpur area. Upon drilling and opening the lockers, officials discovered over Rs 2 crore in hard cash, requiring bank currency counting machines to process the massive haul.
On the allegation of possession of disproportionate assets by one Baikuntha Nath Behera, Assistant Executive Engineer, ITDA, Baliguda, in the district of Kandhamal. Simultaneous raids were conducted at 9 places today, including his residential building, paternal building, office, residential government quarter, etc. During vigilance raid today, we detected 5 high-rising buildings, 13 valuable plots in and around Bhubaneswar, gold ornaments, cash, and some bank deposits. During raid, we have recovered around 2 crore and 4 lakhs hard cash.
So it has been recovered from bank locker or from his house?
It includes recovery of cash from his house and locker.
Sir, all buildings were palatial building and
almost palatial buildings. Valuation of the buildings are going on. We have not yet received financial details. We will share updates later on.
Sir, what will be the cost roughly all these buildings and property?
That we can't say right now. After completion of investigation and inquiry, we will share.
Vigilance authorities have officially detained the ITDA engineer for intense interrogation and have registered a formal case under the stringent provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Crore, Chini, Khorang.